Yeah, absolutely agreed. Did you have any mentors, or did you join any organizations that really essentially taught you how to be a CEO at that point? Like, let's say EO, Entrepreneurs Organization, or something along those lines, or did you just kind of figure it out?
Yeah, look, I just figured it out. I've had and a lot of friends of mine that are entrepreneurs and stuff. They are all a part of EO. I've spoken at a few EO events, but I think for me, I've always looked to my mentorships and my education from books. Really, I tend to study people that are not alive. I like to see the full spectrum. I don't like to see just one chapter of somebody's life. I study people like Marcus Aurelius and read his meditations, and someone that's the greatest Roman emperor of all time, arguably, and their thoughts in leading that empire, or Benjamin Franklin, or whoever it might be. But I look at people that have lived a rich life, and it's not just one trick pony, some person that knows how to build a funnel. I really dig into the weeds of who that person is before I open up my mind to any of their ideas. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag heysabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.